Title: Bulgarian Cuisine, a culinary delight of nutrient-rich goodness and digestive support. Introduction. Bulgarian food isn't just of delicious tastes and distinctive methods of cooking, it's known for its high-nutrient ingredients and the way they aid in digestion health. This article focuses on the fundamentals of Bulgarian food and focuses on its diverse and nutritious ingredients that have contributed to the reputation of Bulgarian cuisine as a delicious culinary treat. 1. Historical background of Bulgarian cuisine. In order to appreciate the diversity of Bulgarian food, it's essential to study the roots of its history. Bulgarian food has been heavily in the influence of Ottoman, Greek, and Slavic practices, which has resulted in a unique blend of tastes and culinary styles. The centuries of exchange between cultures have created Bulgarian cuisine, changing the cuisine into a unique blend of West and East. 2. The nutrient-rich goodness of Bulgarian ingredients. Bulgarian cuisine is known for making use of fresh and local products that are stuffed with nutritional value. Bulgaria's lush lands and favorable climate permit the growing of a variety of vegetables, fruits, and even herbs. From juicy tomatoes and ripe cucumbers to vibrant peppers and fragrant herbs such as parsley and dill, Bulgarian dishes are bursting with vital vitamins and minerals. 3. The digestive benefits of fermented foods. One of the distinctive aspects of Bulgarian food is the emphasis on foods that are fermented, which is recognized for their benefits to digestion. The yogurt, specifically, is a prominent part of Bulgarian food. Lactobacillus bulgaricus, the strain that makes Bulgarian yogurt, aids in digestion of dairy products as well as help to promote healthy digestion. Bulgarian yogurt is frequently used in various recipes as sauces, drinks, and dishes with a distinctive tangy taste as well as probiotics. 4. Traditional Bulgarian dishes that support digestive health. Bulgarian cuisine is a vast range of dishes from the traditional which not only delight the palate but also help to maintain the health of your digestive system. A good example of this can be banitsa, a delicious pastry that is made of the phyllo dough that is packed with a mix of eggs, cheese, and yogurt. The mix of cheese and yogurt in the dish creates an easy and balanced food. Another popular dish in Bulgarian food includes shapska salad, a delicious blend of tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, onions, and the cheese feta. The vibrant salad isn't just high in nutrients and fiber, but it also helps digestion because of the presence of cheese that has been fermented. Simple and natural ingredients used in Bulgarian food ensures that every food item is beneficial to digestion. 5. The joy of sharing meals in Bulgarian culture. The Bulgarians are very fond of communal eating, and this enhances the experience overall of eating Bulgarian food. Dining with family members and close friends creates a feeling of community and provides an atmosphere that is relaxed and conducive to enjoying healthy food. Breaking bread with friends fosters deep bonds and makes Bulgarian food not only focused on nutrition, but rather sharing the pleasures of friendship. 6. Embracing Bulgarian cuisine beyond borders. Bulgarian cuisine has earned global recognition due to its distinctive flavor as well as the health advantages. Nowadays, a lot of foodies across the globe are discovering Bulgarian recipes and including these into their cooking. When including Bulgarian recipes to their menus, people can reap the health benefits of the cuisine and also improve the health of their digestion. Conclusion. Bulgarian food is distinguished by the abundance of nutrients in its ingredients and its focus on helping digestion. From the wide variety of produce that is fresh and the addition of fermented food, Bulgarian dishes offer a balanced blend of flavors and nutrition. Incorporating elements from Bulgarian food into our meals, we will be able to experience the pleasure of classic dishes and reap many benefits for digestion as well as overall health.